Okay, good morning students. Today is discuss about Cauchy-Euler's formulas, equations and theorems. Okay, the Cauchy-Euler, Cauchy-Euler equations. Okay, the problem. First problem. Solve solve x square d square y by dx square plus 4x dy by dx plus 2y equal to e power x. E power x. Okay, this goes to here change x square. Okay, problem the Cauchy-Euler equations. Solve x square d square y by dx square plus 4x dy by dx plus 2y equal to x square. Okay, the solution. The given differential equation is x square d square y by dx square plus 4x dy by dx plus 2y equal to x square. Put equation 1. Above equation, substituting up operator form, you know d by dx equal to d and d square by dx square equal to d square. Okay, x square d square y plus 4x dy 4x dy plus 2y equal to x square here x square d square plus 4x d plus 2 into y equal to x square. To equation 2. Above equation is the form of Cauchy-Euler equation. Okay, Cauchy-Euler equation. You know our assume is equal to x equal to e power z. X is equal to e power z. Put equation 3. Is implies z equal to log x. Okay, and xd equal to theta. X square d square equal to theta into theta minus 1. In this method, I will take. Okay, here put equation 5th. And where theta equal to d by dz. First, I will say put x is equal to e power z and z equal to log x. Xd equal to theta. X square d square is equal to theta into theta minus 1. Theta equal to d by dz. In this equation 3, 4, 5, substituting in equation 2. 2 implies. Substituting in equation 2. 2 implies. Here x square d square. X square d square is equal to theta into theta minus 1 plus 4 into xd. Xd means theta plus 2 into y equal to x square. You know x is equal to e power z. X whole square equal to e power z whole square. E power z whole square nothing but e power 2z. Okay. Here continuous step is theta into theta square, theta into 1 theta plus 4 into theta 4 theta plus 2 into y equal to e power 2z. E power 2z. Okay, here theta square, here minus theta plus 3 theta plus 2 into y equal to e power 2z. E power 2z, put equation 6th. Put equation 6th. Okay. Above equation is comparing of f of theta into y equal to q. Above equation is comparing of f of theta into y equal to q. F of theta equal to theta square plus 3 theta plus 2. Put equation 8th. Put equation 8th and q equal to e power 2z. Put equation 9. And I will take auxiliary equation f of m equal to 0 is implies m square, equation 8th, m square plus 3m plus 2 equal to 0 is implies m square plus here 2m, 2 is factor is 2 into 1, 2 plus 1 3, 2m plus m plus 2 equal to 0. Here 2 common you take, m into m plus 2 plus 1 into m plus 2. Okay. Okay, here m plus 1 into m plus 2 equal to 0. You know AB equal to 0, A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. B equal to 0. Here m equal to minus 1 or m equal to minus 2. Therefore, the roots are m equal to, the roots are m equal to minus 1 comma minus 2. Minus 1 comma minus 2. Okay, therefore the complementary function of equation, okay, function is, the complementary function is yc c1 e power minus z plus c2 e power minus 2z. Here theta is the f of theta is the form is what, f of theta. Theta is where theta is d by dz in terms of z. In terms of z. Here c1 e power minus z plus c2 e power minus 2z. Okay, I will write in the terms of z. You know x equal to e power z and is implies to 1 by x equal to e power minus z. In the place of e power minus z, I will write x terms. Yc equal to c1 here 1 by x plus c2 1 by x square. c2 is 1 by x square. Can. Okay. Yc equal to c1 by x plus c2 by x square. c2 by x square. We get complementary function. Here you say star. Okay. Next I will find particular integral. Okay. Particular integral is yp equal to q by f of theta, not f of d. Here f of theta is implies f q. You know q is equal to e power 2z. Q is equal to e power 2z by here theta square plus 3 theta plus 2. Theta square plus 3 theta plus 2. Okay. Next to continuous step is yp equal to e power 2 theta. You know this, the form is what? E power ax. Here a is what? 2. A is what? 2. In the place of d equal to a equal to 2. In the place of d equal to a equal to, here no d, here theta. Theta equal to a equal to 2. You substitute above equation. Okay, we get. I will substitute e power 2z. I will substitute e power 2z. Okay, in the place of theta equal to a equal to 2. Okay, 2 square plus 3 into 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, continuous step is 1 by 2 square 4 plus 2 3 is 6 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, into e power 2z. E power 2z. Continuous step is 1 by 4 plus 6 10 plus 2 12 e power 2z. Yp equal to 1 by 12 e power 2z. Okay, is implies to 1 by 12. You know e power z mean x. E power 2z mean x square. E power 2z x square. This therefore yp equal to here double star. In terms of here z, here you write x. Okay. Therefore, the general solution is y equal to yc plus yp. Y equal to yc plus yp. Therefore, y equal to yc c1 by x plus c2 by x square plus 1 by 12 x square. 1 by 12 x square. This is the our required differential equation of the given differential equation. Okay.